Today, I will explain the video of Ali Abdaal in 2 minutes. I don't want to waste your time, so let's dive into the video. Method 1. The Wheel of Life. It's like a fun exercise where you rate different parts of your life on a scale from 0 to 10. We're talking about work, health, and relationships. You break these down into smaller parts like your job, your health, and your friendships. The goal is to see how much what you're doing matches up with what you want in each area. Method 2. 12-month celebration. This one's about setting goals. Imagine celebrating something cool in a year. Pick one big goal for each part of your life, and here's the cool part. You're doing it while enjoying every step along the way. It's not just about the finish line. It's about enjoying the journey. Method 3. Ideal week method. Get ready to use your Google Calendar. First, mark down important things like when you wake up and go to bed. Then plan time for the goals you picked in your 12-month celebration. This way, your everyday plans match up with your long-term dreams. Emphasis on key points. Remember to write down your goals. Keep checking your progress and understand why each goal matters. Knowing the why helps you stay focused and excited about what you're doing. If you want to watch full video, click the above link. Wait. Remainder. Start using them today, and let's make this year your best one yet. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy improving, everyone.